Hello everyone, this is Ritika Upmanyu and welcome to Super Fast 20 series of News Media 47. So, let's move on to today's 20 headlines.
PM Narendra Modi gave a surprise visit to troops in Ladakh amid tensions at LAC. Automobile manufacturers, especially Maruti and Hyundai, which have recorded increase in sales over May. Railway, being the only industry totally under the central government, has now opened doors for the private investors to bid. Without any approval by ICMR, the advertising of the drug has invited criticism, and the Rajasthan government has warned Baba of arresting him if he launched his medicine in the state. Vikas Dubey, a gangster, has mooted the question on the integrity of police department, as there have been links of Vikas Dubey in the same police station. Following this, 3 police personnel have been suspended too. ICAI has declared that exam will not happen in July and will take place in November, while UGC has postponed the July exams to September end in the recent notification. With the continuing surge in cases, India has overtaken Russia to be at the 3rd rank, only behind America and Brazil. Unlock 2 has opened the long closed doors of heritage sites on India, though with numerous restrictions as to number of visitors allowed. No group photography Elements is the first made in India social media super app developed by Bangalore-based software company Sumeru Software Solution Private Limited in close competition with similar platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. Delhi government has launched an e-learning portal named as Learning Through E-Resources, made accessible for Delhi. Lead comprises of 10,000 instruction material and course content for students of classes 1 to 12. HDFC offers instant car loans to existing customers through an initiative called Zip Drive in 1,000 cities. A campaign, Mission Vriksha Ropan 2020, has been launched by the Uttar Pradesh government. Under this campaign, more than 25 saplings were planted on 5th July in Uttar Pradesh. The Central Board of Education has announced the information of deduction in syllabus of class 9 to 12 of for academic session 2020-21 by up to 30% in order to make up. Coronavirus is an airborne disease, say scientists, who have called the World Health Organization to revise its guidelines. China reported bubonic plague case on Saturday by a hospital in Bayanur. An 18-year-old Delhi University student who had a huge following on TikTok died by suicide in Delhi. 8-time Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt shared first picture of his daughter and revealed her name is Olympia Lightning Bolt. Most bookstores in Dhaka were still closed since the COVID-19 lockdown was enforced in March 2020. The Central Bureau of Investigation on Wednesday registered 2 cases in the death of a father-son duo who were allegedly tortured in the police station in Tamil Nadu for keeping their shop open in violation of lockdown timings. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has placed himself under home quarantine after coming in contact with a state minister who tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday.
For more news updates, stay tuned with us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.